You gotta thin them. Here is a plant from my Click and Grow. It's 1 month ahead of these seedlings here. And so this one was thin, but just look how big this is, right? So try to imagine 6 of these in here. That's already way too crowded. I should probably only have 2 in here, but I've got 6, but I certainly don't want 6 times 3. Hi gardeners, this is a quick video to show you how to thin your tomato plants in an AeroGarden. Each pod with an AeroGarden comes with a couple seeds, so you're going to have to trim off some of them so that there's only 1 plant in each pod. So I'm at that point now. We've got a true leaf, like a real serrated leaf on most of these seedlings. So let's go ahead and thin them out. This one in the front has only 1 seedling, so that's perfect. That one can stay as it is. This one here though, you can see has 4 little seedlings. Now one of them has a nice tall thick stem and some true leaves, but the other 3 just have baby leaves and they have skinny little stems. So we're going to leave the one with the thickest, straightest stem and trim off the other ones close to the soil line. So, most important part is just to not trim or damage the one that you're gonna leave. There's one of them. Two. And 3. Perfect. Okay, so this one is all ready to go. It's got lots of space, and the other ones have all been removed. Now let's go into this one. What do we got here? So we've got 3 in this one. They've all got true leaves. Oh no, there's 4 of them in there. Okay, this one is the thickest here. This one right on the side, so I'm going to leave that guy. It's also the tallest. Thickest stem, tallest, straightest. So we're going to get rid of these other guys here. So there we go. Try to get a little pile there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. These ones are done. Let's move on to this side. Okay, we've got 3 in here. One of them is much thicker than the other. It's not terribly straight, but I think it will straighten up. Okay. And then this one has 3. One of them is much thicker than the others. Trim. Okay, and then this last one here, this one was quite late, so there's only 2 in there, and they don't have true leaves yet, so I usually let them kind of fight it out until each one has true leaves, or until one is clearly the leader. So I'll just leave these 2 and I'll trim off the weaker one once they've had a chance to get their true leaves. Now we're ready to go. Let me know in the comments what you like to grow in the AeroGarden so I know what pods to order next. Thanks so much. See you in the next video.